Hi everyone, my name is Dilayban Emulaso and I'm from BSMT Meridian, and I am here in front of you to explain the muster station. The muster station is a designated area on a ship where passenger and crew assemble in emergency. It is located near lifeboats and it serves as a gathering point for instruction, accounting, and preparation to abandon the ship if necessary. Assignments are based on cabin location or other logistical consideration. And then aside from that is we have the different procedures through the different types of emergency. The first one is the fire alarm. Our action that required to do is when a fire alarm sounds, each crew members assigned to fire teams will respond to the location of the fire, and the other crew and also the passenger will proceed to their designated muster station unless instructed otherwise. Then the things that we should do is the master list will specify the duties of each crew members, including closing watertight doors, activating fire suppression system, and preparing life-saving appliances. General alarm. The general alarm, often signaled by at least 7 short blasts followed by one long blast on the ship's whistle or siren. It indicates a potential emergency that requires immediate action. All personnel must proceed to their assigned muster station. And our instruction for that is at the muster station, crew and passenger will receive further instruction on the nature of the emergency and the action to be taken. Then the third one is abandon ship alarm. This alarm signals that ship needs to be abandoned. Each crew and passenger will also proceed to the muster station where they will prepare to board lifeboat or other survival craft. The master's verbal order is typically required to initiate the abandon ship procedure. Each crew members will ensure all passengers are accounted for and assist in launching lifeboats. The fourth one is the man overboard signal. When a person goes overboard, an alarm will sound and the crew will initiate rescue operations. Other crew and passenger may be required to assist or proceed to muster station if the situation escalates. The muster list will outline the specific duties for man overboard situations, including deploying rescue equipment and coordinating with the bridge for navigation adjustment. The CO2 alarm. A CO2 alarm indicates a potential fire or other hazard that requires immediate action. Crew members will respond to the source of the alarm and the other may be instructed to proceed muster station if necessary. The muster list will specifically specify the actions to be taken, including activating CO2 fire suppression system and ensuring all areas are clear of personnel. The engineer's call. This alarm is specific for the engineer's emergency and requires the engineering team to be respond immediately. Other crew and passengers may not need to proceed to muster station unless the situation escalates. The engineering team will follow procedure outlined in the muster list to address the emergencies such as shutting down engines or isolating affected areas. Cargo hold flooding. In the event of cargo hold flooding, the crew will take measure to isolate the affected area and stabilize the ship. Passengers may be instructed to proceed to muster station if the situation becomes critical. The master list will detail the duties for closing watertight door, activating pumps, and preparing life-saving appliances if necessary. And the last one is pollution prevention. The action to that is if there's a risk of pollution, such as oil spill, the crew will follow procedure to contain and mitigate the spills. Passengers may not need to proceed to master station. That's all, sir. Thank you. God bless.